can use artificial intelligence to revive your old images to a new one. So you can use it as much as possible. All you have to do is go to Canva, go to apps. Then when you get to apps, scroll down a little bit and get to revive photo. Revive old and blurry photos effortlessly. So let's get right in. As you can see, this is an old photo and this is a revived new photo. So we'll click on use existing design. Okay, there's no existing design. Let's find use a new design. We'll put it in Facebook format. I hope I will see an old image I will need to revive right now. It's coming up. It's coming up. So once I'm done with once it has appeared here, all I have to do, I will go to choose file and then go to my own image that is on the computer. I'll just look for an image. Let me see if I can see something nice. Now we'll head to our computer, like I talked about. Go to downloads. Let me look for something. Let me go to an old image. An old image. All right, we'll use this very image. Open it, and then we'll click on. Once you get to this very point, you click on revive. So the artificial intelligence on this very software will now be able to revive this image in few seconds. So please wait a moment while we revive your image. So wait, okay? Wait as much as possible and get the image revived. And once it is done, we'll download it and use it for our own designs. And you can use it for frame, you can use it for birthdays, you can use it for posters, you can use it for anything that has to do with printing, that has to do with design, that has to do with going digital. This is a very nice innovation from, of course, AI has been doing a lot of work for us these days, and we have to take advantage of it as much as possible. So you that is trying to learn how it is done, get to use Canva to make it happen. So let's wait for it a little while. So once the image is completely revived, as you can see, this is the two half of the two images. If I go like this, you see the one that is not too good enough, that is not as brilliant as we want it to be. As I now move it to the left, you can see how it becomes brighter. Okay, it becomes brighter and brighter. It becomes more enjoyable, more nice to look at. So I'll click on add to design. So I'll have my work ready. I just have to expand it as much as I want. Once I'm done, I can now click share to save my image. Okay, I'll now click share to save my new image. So the work is complete. Thank you for listening.